Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I just this look right here. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me, and it'll be like a little Christmas gift for me. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money.
So I'm going to be starting in with the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to go right in with that green shade. It's called Daddy. Then I'm going to be grabbing a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to be applying that green shade right into my crease line. And I'm just going to be building this green shade all the way through. And just keep building it, and that's basically what we're going to try to achieve. And just make sure you try to place it mostly inside the crease. Then we're going to go in with a Morphe brush. This one is my Morphe 576 brush. And I'm just going to be blending this green shade. We're going to go back into the palette and grab this one right here. It's like a lighter green. It's called Social Blade. And what we're going to be doing with this shade is just blending out the dark green. So we got the light green, and we're just going to be blending those two shades in together so it looks nice and cute. Then we're going to go in with this concealer. This one is the Glamour Flock concealer in shade light. And we're just going to be cutting my crease, and I am going to be cutting it all the way through. So all the way, and just kind of winging it out. We're going to go in with this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, going in with that shade. It is called Bean, and we're going to be placing that in the beginning of the crease inside. Back in with the James Charles, going in with the red, your kitty, and place that inside my crease as well, right next to the white shade. And we're just going to be trying to build that red and make it really bright. Then we're going to be adding the black. It's called Spooky, and we're going to be applying that black and just building it. And I did go in and blend it as well. And sorry if I sound sick, because I am sick. I'm sorry. And we're going to go in with the NYX the glitter primer and apply that to my crease line. And then I'm going to go in with some glitter. It's golden glitter. And we're going to be adding some gold glitter on top of that primer. Then we're going to go in with this shade called Face. It's from the James Charles palette as well. And we're going to be adding this to the brow bone. So this is the end of the look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I did do my face off camera as well.